Hey guys, what's up? It's Mike here from Connect Tech News, and today what I have for you guys is the unboxing of the Canon Vixia HF-R400 camcorder. So I just got this today to shoot some better videos, because right now I'm using the Canon F300HS. So it comes with a bundle. It comes with the camcorder, and also bonus a case and a 4 GB SD card. So let's open this up. Pretty excited. This camera came out in late March, so it's pretty recent. It was announced at CES 2013 in Vegas. Let's just open this up. Remove the tape. Alright, just like that. So when you open the box, there's the receipt. I got this in Canada for $270, so it's a pretty good price. You can get it in the States for $249.99 in Amazon. So first, what we have inside the box is the Canon carrying case for the camcorder. And then we have a separate box, a separate box for the actual camera, the HF-R400. So let me just open this up. So this camera is shoots in 1080p Full HD. It has up to 53 times zoom, 32 times optical zoom. Here it is. When you open the box, you just get a whole bunch of things. Dealer record, proof of purchase, a CD. Who needs CDs these days? Register your camcorder. And when we open this up, we get some cables, the charging brick, the HDMI cable. Looks like this is the battery. Yeah. Pretty big battery. This is the HDMI. And this is the USB to charge your camera. And also the SD card. It's a 4 GB SD card. And lastly, we have the camera itself. Nicely bubble wrapped here. So here's the Canon HF-R400, just announced at CES 2013 in Vegas. Here's a quick view. We have here USB, HDMI, headphone input, and mic input. Battery compartment goes over here. And that's pretty much it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing of the Canon HF-R400. Make sure to stay tuned for my review, and please subscribe. Thanks a lot. Peace out.